Welcome aboard. So we have a treat for you guys today. We're on our way to get some Mojo Tacos, go to the boat, and have a good time. Today on the boat, I realized a mistake I made doing the heat exchanger the other day. There's two, there's a washer and the seal. Well, I put the washer on, it's just a rubber washer. So I'm actually going to take that apart and actually show you what the inside of the heat exchanger is. It's only going to take me 2 minutes, but we're going to show you what Mojo Tacos is all about, and get back with you. So a lot of neighbors waving around here, just going through the neighborhood. But yeah, I'm going to focus on driving. And if you guys don't have one of these you know, masks, I don't know how they're supposed to prevent anything, but allegedly they do. So we'll be talking at you guys in a minute. Coming up on our St. Augustine exit. The oldest established city, right here. Nice. We're coming up on the St. Augustine Fort here to the left. We're on San Marco Avenue, and the Bridge of Lions is coming up. So there's not much traffic right now because it's only 11 a.m. In the morning on a Monday, so all the tourists will be out soon. But we usually anchor out right in front of the fort over here. That's our anchor spot. Pedestrians, and you can see the Bridge of Lions right in front of us. But I'm pretty excited. We're getting Mojo Tacos. It's about time we get some Mojo Tacos. Yeah, you walk that red light running across. So if you guys haven't been to St. Augustine, this isn't St. George Street, this is San Marco Avenue. But it's super nice out here. It's definitely the city to live in, I would say. And there's some statues over here that are being taken down soon. And this is the St. Augustine City Municipal Marina, and it's just more expensive than the Conch House. It's actually not open right now, so we don't have to wait for a sailboat guy. So we'll be talking with you when we get to Mojo Tacos. Alright, we get to see Mojo Tacos. It's right next to Circle K, across from the Conch House. And if you guys haven't had the best tacos in St. Augustine, well, these are the best tacos around. So we'll let you go. We're getting our Mojo Tacos, and we'll be talking with you back at the boat. All right, so our treat for the boat, let's check it out. This is a Mojo Taco. This is a Mahi taco. You have the quesadiche, queso. And over here, what is that?
Chicken ariba.
A chicken ariba. So we're gonna be eating this, and then I'm gonna fix the seals, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I decided to clean my sea strainer again for the AC, and this is what I do. I come in here, get my chlorine tablets, pop them down in there. Maybe I'll do 3, maybe 4, and I just set it down in here just like that. and we're good to go. So I'm gonna do the heat exchanger stuff. Yeah, because I did the seals wrong, so I'm gonna take that apart real quick, 2 minutes, come back right back at you. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys a rookie mistake. So here's the end cap to the heat exchanger, and here is the gasket. The washer is supposed to go on the inside. So let's check this out. Here's the inside of the heat exchanger. The washer should go right here, so there's water flow on either side, so all the water gets moved around. So I'm going to quickly install that and get back with you in a minute. Okay, so now that I did a few maintenance items on the boat, I'm going to show you the actually outside of the boat. I haven't showed the outside of the boat in a while, so we're heading out and come check it out. Nice back deck. Got my back anchor over here. Gotta close the blinds. Lock this up. You can go on the dock. A nice dinghy. This is a sweet boat, feeling naughty. And the dinghy is called Nauti Buoy. Got electrical connectors up. Let's go up to the front. Got both kayaks going on, all tied off. That's the money side of the boat. So now we're going to go to downtown St Augustine, pick up some chocolate. So we stay tuned, and I'll be talking with you in a minute. Okay guys, the perfect place to park at the Conch House marina is right in front of it, because they only have dirt lots. So you gotta be careful, there's a lot of cars. So heading out in the Beamer. Talk with you in St. Augustine. Alright, so I made it back to the house, and first I want to show you the Hookah System. So here's my buddy's one. Remember when I showed you how he set it up? Well, let me move this one out of the way. And what I did differently is his right here, it's like up against, and I wanted more space, so I added another little extension right here. So there's a lot of space right here in between that plastic piece. So now I get to put that on my boat and go diving whenever I want. So I'm gonna have pearls of wisdom for you. Very inspirational pearls of wisdom. It is just so bloody hot out there. It is crazy, crazy, right, honey? Yep, she even says so. Anyways, I'll be back at you in a minute. I'm gonna have my pearls of wisdom with the other hookah. Ciao. I have to say, it is bloody hot out here. It makes me want to get down to my birthday suit. So here's my quote of the day for everybody out there. And you gotta basically raise your glass to this. This is a... Oh, that tastes good. Alright. May the wind always be at your back, and the sun upon your face, and may the wings of destiny carry you aloft to dance with the stars. Guess who said that? George Young in the movie Below. Well, who said that before that? Well, they say it's an old Irish prayer blessing. I think it's an old Irish drinking song because, or quote, because Irish people, they drink like crazy. Okay, so before I leave you guys, I have an update on Cortez on the water. I was just over there, I just was over there, obviously. They haven't even started on the docks yet, and they just put the basic structures of some of the townhomes up. I'm not even considering Cortez on the water until they're 70% built out with the dock built and the pool, because what I know about developers is if they get halfway through the project and there's not a lot of demand, they'll just cancel the project, so you're left with a $1 million townhome without a dock and without a pool, so on the water. So like always, stay safe, and if you like these videos, like and subscribe. I'm renaming these videos from the life of Tony to Phil and Nauti Boat Vlog. So changing the name, same content. Talk with you soon, and as always, stay safe.